Superheat part 2. So where I left off is when the liquid enters the metering device, it'll turn into 80% liquid, 20% vapor. All this right here, all this is supposed to be liquid. So what happens is liquid going through the evaporator is supposed to be boiled off into a vapor. So it boils off into a vapor, boom, goes to your service port and then to your compressor. But how does it boil off? So it takes the return air, goes across the coil, and that's pretty much how this boils off right here into the evap. That's also where you get your delta T. So your delta T is your return air minus your supply. That is your temperature difference, your delta T. By the time it enters the compressor, it should be 100% vapor. Is at the compressor, it's supposed to be a low pressure, low temperature vapor. And leaving the compressor, it's a high pressure, high temperature vapor. And in the next video, we're going to explain what happens when there's too much liquid in the evaporator, what ratings you'll get with your superheat with a TXV, and what happens to your compressor when liquid gets in. If that's something you guys would be interested in, like, follow, and share for part 3 of superheat.